What's up, internet land? This is your boy Dion Sylvester. Hey, I am talking to you live today. You know, I'll be doing my how to's, right? Today, I'm talking to insurance agents. You know, and I used to be an insurance agent for many, many years, and I had customers and booking all these reservations and interviews and appointments to go sit across people and do applications for life insurance, right? I'm smiling and stuff, but really, how hard is it to stay focused and excited about filling out a life insurance policy? Well, stay tuned, guys. I want to tune in to you guys and show you exactly right now in today's technology how to make money on the internet as an insurance agent. Stay tuned. Stick around. Hey, what's up? It is Dion Sylvester. I want to welcome you guys first and foremost to the channel where we always bring you new and exciting things with technology, with YouTube. That's how I bring the videos and bring the game to you. So I want to welcome you guys for sticking around and taking time out to hang out with me today. And today we're going to talk to the insurance agents. That was something I was passionate about. Even in, I was an affiliate of an insurance company, which is like a whole different thing. But we may or may not talk about that, but definitely want to share some jewels about how insurance agents can make money using the internet. I mean, that's something that's really, really good because people still do need life insurance. You definitely need to take care of that. So we want to talk about that first. First and foremost. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, you subscribe, you leave some comments, share this thing, hit the notification button because I always be dropping some free things, and we want to make sure that you get them first. We just had our drawing in the month of August. We had the contest. I give away a 3-day, 2-night vacation. We announced our winner Saturday for the month of August. So to qualify, you had to do those things like comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button. Make sure you do that because we're going to do it again. So what we want to talk about is the life insurance agents and the lifestyle, the life of an agent. I mean, it was years ago that I did it, but I don't know if you can relate. In life insurance, we live off of third-party referrals. And it's you sit down with a person, you go over the information with them. They decide you want to start their life insurance policy, set up their financial plan, get everything set up. And at the end, you ask them, do you know anybody, that can benefit from this information, just like you just did, give me 10 names. And that was like our bloodline. If we didn't have referrals, we were basically out of business. And that's the life, how it was for life insurance agents. If you're in even any other industry that does sales, you probably can relate. But what we used to do, and shout out to Keith Johnson, he taught us a lot in the company that we were with. I'm not ashamed to say I was with Primerica. We sold life insurance. Then we moved to Capital Choice Financial Services. Well, with both companies, we did great things, and we took care of so many different lives and helped so many people. But every Sunday, we would get together as a team. I mean, we did this, guys, as a squad. We were the Navy SEALs. And we would get together on our cell phones every Sunday night between the hours of 6 and 10. And I hope, Keith, I'm not giving out the game, you know what I mean? But, hey, I guess I am, but I ain't gonna give it all out. But, we sit together as a huddle and we had our script and we would take all of those names that, if we had appointments Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday and Friday for life insurance, and say if you had 3 appointments each day. You had 3 appointments Monday, 3 appointments Tuesday, 3 appointments Wednesday, 3 appointments Friday. I didn't say Thursday because Thursday we met together as a team. We passed out our checks. We got together and, we just celebrated each other. So 3, 6, 9, 12. So you got 12 appointments. Now, 12 appointments, say you do 4. You sit down with 4 people out of those 12 appointments and you get 10 names. That's 40 names that you got to sit down on Sunday night, and you go through the script and you call these names and you schedule appointments for these people. And hey, I spoke with with Keith, and Keith, right? And I went over some information with Keith, and I'm not gonna get a whole script out, so I don't think you're gonna get it right here. But yeah, that's what we did, and we scheduled those appointments. And if you didn't have leads, you had nobody to call, so you didn't have business for the following week, guys. That's how we build our business, on the cell phone, calling people. But now, guys, you got the internet, the power of the internet, and the power of things like YouTube. How can you get a person that needs insurance, that's looking for insurance, or that's looking for financial services? They're all over the internet, but you have to learn how to find them. Guys, what if you had the ability to do kind of like what I'm doing right now, to sit and share the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding that you have about your industry? Share it, put it in a format like this, package it just like this. And there's people that are searching. But guys, here's what I want to give you. You can be the first one that's doing it. You can take that 40 name list that we were sitting down with every week and scheduling out appointments and do it from home. Reach people from home and schedule your appointments from home and build your business from home. I want to show you exactly how to do that and how to do it from YouTube. There's a link at the bottom, guys. I want you to check out this free webinar that's going to show you exactly how to niche down in your industry of life insurance, how to take financial services, package it, put it in the box, and have people looking exactly for you. You don't have to be, you don't have to put your face on YouTube to do it. You don't have to put your voice on YouTube to do it. But you do have to create your channel and show people how to get to you and start chasing you. So make sure you click the link at the bottom below and go check out the free webinar, see exactly how to do that. And don't forget, hey, I am still giving out a free vacation as well. 3 days, 2 nights, undisclosed vacation. You want to guess? Make sure you do those things. You have to like, you have to subscribe, you have to comment, leave a comment down below. Make sure you share this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you know when we drop the next video. So you see what jewels we're giving out for free. But man, in tune, just remember, guys, you can use this platform to have people knocking down your door, ready to fill out the application, and it not be boring as it was in the beginning when I sat and talked about it on the couch. So check out the video, go get the free webinar information, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, it's Deion Sylvester signing out.